Hi, I'm Joe Stanley from the Stanley Law Offices. No one knows what's just around the corner, but you do need to know what to do next. The next few minutes will give you some answers.
Many of your personal injury clients that you deal with, Joe, are eligible for either workers' compensation, Social Security disability, and in many cases both. Tell me about how the Stanley team works with workers' comp. Tell me about your team.
Well, Angela, our goal is whenever somebody has got a significant injury that we want to make sure that they are taken care of in the best manner allowable given their circumstances. If they're hurt on the job, that's workers' compensation. If they are unable to work after a certain period of time, usually 9 months, then we get them involved with the Social Security disability process. And on top of that, of course, those all interact with the litigation system, with the system of compensation above and beyond those two, because the compensation that you get with Social Security or workers' comp is not the same as what you're entitled to under the law when you have a personal injury. So it can be very, very, very important to get all these things working together. If you have any more questions, call the Stanley Law Offices or visit our website. We'll be there for you. Hi, I'm Joe Stanley from the Stanley Law Offices. No one knows what's just around the corner, but you do need to know what to do next. The next few minutes will give you some answers.
Joe, last week we talked a bit about the importance of getting workers' compensation and Social Security, getting those elements of a particular personal injury case working together. It takes a special kind of person to work through a workers' compensation or Social Security disability case. Can you talk a little bit about those folks that are on your team at Stanley Law that focus on these areas?
Well, we have Anna, Jaya, Matt, and Denise. That's generally what they do. They do the Social Security disability and workers' comp, and they spend a lot of time helping people understand the process. And I can tell you that the most difficult thing for a client who's hurt is figuring out and understanding how the process is going to affect them.
It can be complex, and it's a lot of hoops you have to jump through.
Well, and it's difficult, and sometimes they just don't understand, and so, but you have to play by those rules to be able to get what you are entitled to, and that's something that we work hard at explaining, and hopefully we do a good job at that. If you have any more questions, call the Stanley Law Offices or visit our website. We'll be there for you.